morning. My name is Dr. Jesse Ehrenfeld, Chair of the American Medical Association Board of Trustees, and I'll be speaking today with Dr. Patrice Harris, AMA President, about the current COVID-19 situation. Dr. Harris, you met with President Trump and members of his administration earlier this week. What was your message to him?
Physicians and other health professionals are on the front lines of this crisis, this COVID-19 pandemic, and we need supplies. We need personal protective equipment. We need testing kits. This is a dire situation, and we need these supplies to be able to take the best care of our patients.
You also made it clear to the president that physicians will need financial support, correct?
Yes, together with the American Hospital Association and the American Nursing Association, we requested $100 billion. We are like all the other small businesses. We pay rent, we pay salaries, we purchase equipment. Physician practices need to survive. Without physician practices, our patients won't be able to get the care that they need.
Can you tell me how the AMA is removing obstacles for physicians during this pandemic?
Well, first and foremost, we are listening and we are turning the concerns that we hear into action. We have pressed the administration into making sure that there are enough supplies of PPE and supplies for testing. We have requested a change in regulation so that we can expand telehealth to make sure that our patients get the care that they need. And finally, we developed a new CPT code that is specific to testing for COVID-19.
I know the AMA is working hard to dispel myths and share facts. Can you give some examples?
Well, Jesse, you know, there's so much misinformation and disinformation out there, but facts and evidence do matter. And so the AMA has been working with the CDC and WHO to make sure we have real-time, accurate, up-to-date information available. We are hearing and listening to real-time information from our physician colleagues. And so we ask everyone to follow the AMA and follow JAMA. We have a COVID-19 resource center on our website. And most recently, we put up a quick guide to telemedicine because we know so many of our colleagues are using it to take care of patients.
How is the AMA sharing stories of what's happening on the front lines?
Well, we are fielding questions and trying to answer as many of those questions as we can. Our JAMA editor, Dr. Howard Bachner, has interviewed Dr. Maurizio Ciccone in Italy, as well as Dr. Anthony Fauci. We are sharing information like the Kaiser Permanente Medical Group and their efforts to preserve PPE. And we know that small practices and groups are sharing equipment. So if you want more information, you can go to ama-assn.org/COVID-19.
Dr. Harris, is there anything else you would like to share with the physicians of America today?
Absolutely, Jesse. On behalf of the American Medical Association and the patients of this nation, thank you for all of your hard work. Please remember to stay safe, take care of both your physical and your emotional health, and be well on behalf of yourselves, your patients, and your families. And please also remember to check back regularly for updates on the AMA resource page.
Dr. Harris, thank you so much for speaking with me today, as well as our physicians. Please remember to reach out to the AMA on Twitter with your questions, and we'll do our very best to answer. Stay safe, and thank you.